This is Sevylor fishing boat. The name is HF250. Never used, so first time this boat will be used today. Called Fish Hunter. Fish Hunter 250 Sevylor. For 2 adult people. Fish Hunter. So inside here 220 kilo maximum and 0.06 bar. 4 chamber with ventil. Sevylor. And this pocket here is for battery. This. And I can put a motor here and I will use that. I have motor. And this is for fishing stang. Not use that today, but this side and this side for fishing. So this is a fisher boat. But look here, we should go out on this water. It's 10th of September, it's perfect day. So here is the boat. Ready. It will be used for first time. Sevylor.